Welcome to my channel Techify with Adil. So today in this video we will be seeing an exercise how to create a storage blob. So already in my previous video we have discussed about the storage services and types and in detail about blob and what kind of storage is blob and when we need to use the blob storage. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos to gain knowledge in Azure fundamentals. Okay, let us move on to the video. So here first we need to activate the sandbox account. So I have done it already. So in my previous videos of exercises also I have shown the activations, so I will just skip the step here. So we will go with the account creation step straight away. So we have to log in to the Azure portal account. So once you are able to log in, since it's sandboxing, we will have it's like a learning account, so we no need any subscriptions. In normal cases we will need subscription to create the account. So we are creating a storage account. So hope you have followed the create the resource, then under the category go to storage, then under storage account create. So here we will leave the subscription and resource group default. Storage account name, we name it as Techify with Adil Blob. Okay, hopefully this name is then the region we leave it default and performance as standard, and redundancy we go for LRS. So also about redundancy we have discussed in my previous video. I will just tag the video on the top, you can view that. Then next under advanced we just need to enable this, allowing enabling anonymous access to individual containers. So then we just review and create. So it just validating the settings we have provided, and yes, it's been validated already. So we're going to create the storage account. So the storage account is under creation now. It's going to take just quite some little time to complete. So once it's completed we can go to the data storage and select the container to see. So deployment is in progress. So blob storage, as we have discussed in the previous video, so it's used for very large size of data and unstructured data to store, like logs, like videos, pictures and everything we can just store to this blob storage. So we have already completed. We go to the resources. So here's our storage account. So in general, like you can just go and you can see here the resources. Under resources you can see the resource. You can see the details all here. So now we go to here we go to our storage account. Then we need to create a container. Actually you can go to click upload, then last to choose the container which we haven't created. So we use this create new option, then TWA blob container 1. it's private. So we are creating a container. So once we have created the container, we need to select the container we created and upload some files for. So here we have created the container. So we will be selecting a file to upload. So I just use my channel logo. Has been and uploading it. So we have uploaded. So here we can so here now we just expand this. Okay, we will see storage browser here, blob container, and we go to our container, and under the container, so this is the file we uploaded. So here we can see you got an URL. So we just paste the URL in. So in our previous video discussing about the storage accounts, we have already mentioned, so the storage account, the backend is all managed by the Azure, and storage account can be directly accessed from the browser, HTTP or HTTPS. So we are trying to access to the file that we have uploaded. So we have an issue in accessing to the uploaded file. So now let us see what's the issue is and resolve that first. So here we go back to our container, blob containers, then we just choose our container. We see here change access. So it was the default one which while we created. So here we are giving containers and blobs for anonymous access. So now again we go back to the container. So we can see the file. So we are accessing to the file we have stored in the blob storage in Azure. So this is how we can create an blob storage account and access to the storage data in the account. So similarly, as we have done for blob storage, we can also create other storage accounts. Say, so the same steps, we just go create resource under storage. So here we can just create any other accounts we need, then we can do the same steps to access to the account as well.